Hi everybody. Today we want to look at a case study on USMA on its technical charting analysis. So on the right hand side, you have with you a daily chart on USMA. You can see that yesterday's selling, USMA was supported at about 92 cents, 91.5 cents. It is because of a resistance over here, turn support. Okay, so USMA traded right there on a very heavy volume selling. Then subsequently today, okay, this is today's candle. The market is still going on. It's 4:13 p.m. Today, USMA gap up, open higher, and now trading within the range of between 99 cents to a low of 95.5 cents. Go to the left-hand side on the chart, in the hourly chart, you take a look at USMA right here. So what are the two levels that we are interested in? Satu ringgit. Okay, the first resistance for USMA going upwards will be this first 1 ringgit. Now, USMA is going to trade either up to break this 1 ringgit, okay, or it can come down and test this gap support over here. Now, if USMA were to trade downwards and test this gap support successfully and turn up based on the volume and the candlestick spread analysis, it could form the first higher low on the intraday time frame, which is set it up a very nice, maybe a reversal going back up above 1 ringgit. So that is the best case scenario for USMA. Now, you see this USMA today. Okay, so this is yesterday's first hour opening. Okay, it crashes down. Then subsequently, the stock rebounded during intraday and closed lower. So today we get up. Now take a look at the volume. The trading volume today is much higher, okay, than the rest of the day of yesterday combined. So it seems like the selling was overdone yesterday, and today we have the buyers step backwards, step back up into USMA. Okay, so the whole day has been trading above 97 cents. This is good because this is the former resistance. Yesterday intraday resistance, so today it traded above, and you can see the volume is pretty low. So if it cannot maintain above 97 cents, we expect USMA to come and test the gap support. Okay, so as of now, it is still trading in a tight range of between 97.5 and 98 cents, struggling, okay, in the last hour of this trading. So tomorrow, we keep everybody updated again. As of now, only two ways you want to trade USMA, that is either above 1 ringgit or come and test this gap support. That's all. Thank you for your time. I hope you learned something from this video.